said for many years, and she expects even more great things in the future from this young leader. Lois offers a special thanks to Sidney Batesville for handing out the jelly beans today and to Rhonda Pratt for the great call. There's Supervisor John Vasquez, who wishes everyone a safe and happy Dixon Mayfair. And to all the mothers, a happy Mother's Day. Here they are, Dixon folks, the best of the best. The Dixon High School Marching Band is just back from making an appearance at Disneyland by playing and marching in their popular parade. The band at Dixon High School continues to be among the largest and most successful groups on campus. Both the concert and jazz band receive superior ratings at festivals each year. The band would like to thank all of the parents who travel with them for making each performance possible. I'd be remiss if I didn't mention that cute little girl playing the flute is my favorite granddaughter. Coming up next are our proud banner carriers, cousins Alex and Kyle Plowman, celebrating